Did you know that the term original sin and total depravity was an invention of St. Augustine during the 4th century? Yes, before the 4th century, original sin and total depravity wasn't popular at all. It was only known among a heretical cult known as Manichaeanism. Augustine himself was against these cults. You see what happened? Augustine was reading a passage from the book of Romans chapter 5 verse 12, because all sin. But he was reading it from the Vulgate Bible, in whom all sin. That is why Augustine came up with the theory of original sin and total depravity. He came up with the Latin non posse non peccare, which means not able not to sin. According to Augustine, original sin and total depravity of Adam was sexually transmitted. People were afraid to get married back then. They were choosing celibacy. But here's a rebuttal. If original sin and total depravity was sexually transmitted, then modern genetics would have been able to remove sin from our genes. Augustine made a mistake we all suffer today, and now you know.